everybody, it's Miss Dawn from the Lake Erie Nature and Science Center. Hey, we're behind the scenes today. We're actually at the Nature Center, but we're in the staff kitchen. Now, it's the Monday before Thanksgiving, and I'm thinking that maybe your holiday is going to be a little bit different, like mine is this year, where we're going to have a lot of family zooming in on us and having a virtual Thanksgiving just to keep everybody safe. But I have a really fun experiment that you can try with your family that will pretty much wow your friends and family on Zoom. And all you need for this experiment is a paper plate or a plate that can go in the microwave, a bar of Ivory soap. It has to be Ivory soap for this experiment to work, and a microwave, okay? So boys and girls, you always should have an adult with you when you're working with the microwave oven, okay? So this is what we're going to do. We're going to cook the soap in the microwave. We're going to put a bar of soap on a microwave safe plate for 2 minutes, and just for 2 minutes in the microwave. Now, what do you think is going to happen? It could burn, like sometimes food can burn in a microwave, or maybe something else. So I already put another bar of soap in here for 2 minutes in the microwave. And are you ready? Here's our big reveal. This is what happens. Oh my goodness, check it out. It basically explodes in the microwave. Now remember, when it comes out, it's going to be a little bit warm, so make sure you have an adult help you as well. But what is happening here is there's a lot of air that's pumped into the soap, and when that air heats up, it expands. And what you get is this big fluffy cloud of soap. And once it's cool, you can actually pull it apart and use it. Maybe you can throw some in your bathtub. You can use it to wash your hands. You can give some to your friends to use for washing their hands. That would help keep them safe. But it's a really fun experiment. And like I said, maybe you can go on Zoom and show the rest of your family this really neat soap explosion experiment. I hope you're doing well. I miss all of you. I hope to see you soon. And I hope you have a very happy Thanksgiving. Bye.